Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you a couple of 3D printing projects I want to show you. So here the first one you have is this Grinch. And here he has a Santa hat on him. Isn't he so cute? He's so cute. Even though I don't like the movie Grinch. But so yeah, but look at the detail. But, so that's the Grinch. But the star of the show is this gingerbread house. And so here your lights up here. Look at that lighting. Look at that. And you actually had tree houses in here. And your lighting does this also. Let me turn some light on here. Let me turn some light on so you can see here. So let's see. So this is highlights up here. Hope you can see now. And it's like the houses. I mean, it's not close to the house. It's the lights. And then turns on like that, and it light flashes like that. That is so cool, isn't it, guys? And it flashes like that. And it's still stationary. And it's so cool. I just love it. So I'm going to turn the light back on. So that's all I want to hop on here and show you. So until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.